How to rest meat but not let it get too cold. Having read this question, see link 1. I am persuaded that resting meat is good for its flavor. But if the meat has a good temperature straight after it's been cooked, it seems as though it will be too cold after resting it for a few minutes. How do you rest meat in such a way that it is not too cold for eating?
Straight after it comes out of the pan, it will usually be too hot to eat. Regardless of resting or not, you can't fully taste things which are too hot, they need to come down to a comfortable temperature before you eat them. Some things you can do to stop the meat being too cold when you serve it: you can rest the meat wrapped in foil. This will stop it from getting too cool too quickly if you are not ready to serve once it's had the time to rest. You can rest it and then warm it again before you eat it, either under a hot grill for a little, or in an oven. Serve it with a hot sauce which will warm the meat. Serve it on a warmed plate which will stop it cooling more too quickly on the table. Although I think you are worrying too much about nothing IMHO. Even once rested, the meat will still be at a good temperature, especially as you have not cut it yet, and most of the heat will be retained in the middle of the meat. Ideally, you want something that will absorb the heat from the too hot meat until the meat cools down enough, then re-emits it to help hold the meat near serving temperature until it is time to cut. You won't get that with something that conducts all the heat away, metal table, or absorbs it never to return, stone countertop. That means a ceramic, earthenware dish of appropriate size, isolated from other thermal conductors. The larger the piece of meat, the heavier the ideal dish. For thin steaks, I use a thin table plate set on a hot pad. For roasts, a heavy serving platter. The meat will lose some of its energy to the air through radiation and convection, sped up if the skin is moist. A loose piece of aluminum foil over it will help slow the rate of both.